We have many updates to talk about in today's video, as well as claiming airdrops. We got new updates on mint airdrops, on grass airdrop, which you do need to listen closely, and we're gonna go and talk about that. And also, forgive me if you do hear some baby crying. It's my friend's baby, so I'm sorry about that. I cannot stop him. But we jump straight onto the laptop over here, and as we see over here with the mint airdrop, it is a new one. We got the airdrop section and we got a new mission to go and do. Now, if you haven't joined the mint chain airdrop, I will leave you the link down below. Make sure to go and join now. It is all free what you gotta do. As we see over here, we have done most of the missions. Now, there is a new one, which is own your VIP3 card NFT over here. So we simply gotta go over here. Once you get to the signing of this website, simply scroll down, click on go, and we were gonna go to this page and mint your VIP3 card. Once you're here, all you gotta do is connect your wallet. We will connect our MetaMask wallet over here, as we do have it with the mint one. Verify the address. We're gonna sign up to this transaction, click on sign, no trigger blockchain transaction, no nothing. And we have successfully logged in. Now we can mint any chain below. We can task for free mint for 0.01 ETH. Now, this is not a free one, but you can get the task to free mint. It's simply to connect your Twitter, follow them and retweet, verify the email, and you will be able to go and do it for free. This way, as we see over here, take it for free. This will make sure that you do not go and pay $30 in fees. So it is a free NFT to go and do it. Once you've done it, you simply, as we see over here, free mint as well, you simply go to the possibility of do all of this below. I will not do it right now, but make sure to go and do it. Once you've done it, simply come back to this page over here, go back over here, reload the page, and you will have the possibility to get your NFT over here, which will give you additional benefits for the mint airdrop. And as we see here, I'm not saying airdrop, they have said airdrop, and the airdrop is coming for everybody with a high XP count and P count. So make sure you go and do it. Following up a little update on this project, which we did talk about a couple of days ago. As you do remember, it is basically a deposit, and I did deposit 0.1 ETH approximately. And now, 3 days later, my total compound interest is 0.13 ETH. So it has already gone up. And how this works? Well, I will leave you the link down below for you to go and join them, but it is the riskiest airdrop situation that I have ever joined. And it is basically a pyramid situation, a pyramid scheme, call it whatever you want. Basically, there is a lot of money into this project. And if you join now and then people join tomorrow, you will go, your money that you return is basically if people join this project continuously. Now, there are mechanisms behind, there is a safe contract, everything is right here. So you can go and read it as well. I joined it with approximately 0.1 ETH, 0.7 ETH, whatever it was. Now, though, it is already growing, as we see over here, 0.135 ETH, which is very, very nice. So it is working for me. I have joined, I am making money, and then you have the possibility to compound. You can compound minimum limit of 7 times for then go and get your money back. And this increments people to not leave the project. There are fees to pay if you leave the project, early withdrawal tax 60%. So it is a protocol that survives on its own as far as new people join. If new people join, I will not be making anything, you will not be making anything, nobody will have this compound interest, kind of like what we started back in the days, this channel based on the Wonderland DAO, the crazy APY situation. It is basically the same thing. So it works if new people joining. If you want to take a look, I will leave a link down below. Otherwise, do not worry about it, but I just wanted to express to you that yes, it is. I'm making an estimated yield of approximately $30. If you wish to join, you're welcome to try, but it is the riskiest airdrop as it is not based on anybody, simply if new people join that you will be able to go and do it. Next up, we got a new Linea quest over here. Very important to go and do it. The Barsha Moscow over here. What you gotta do is simply go and mint another NFT situation, which is absolutely free. You can switch the network. We will be going to the Linea mainnet as we do over here. We complete the claim and you will be able to complete the claim once everything loads. Give it a little bit of time, because also yesterday we've seen it that it does take a little bit of time to go and claim this, to go and do all the transactions. I will leave you the layer 3 page down below. And as we see here from the reward situation, the airdrop 2 snapshot has already been taken. So now we're working towards the airdrop 3, the third airdrop snapshot. So make sure to go and join it. It is very important. Here we got it. Now it has loaded. 3 cents for this Linea NFT. And have I done it? Once you've done this, you go back to the situation over here that it was this one. You verify, click on continue. We will wait that it does go through the transaction, complete the claim, transfer into your wallet. Once this is done, you will have the possibility to go and claim it right here, to verify it right here on the layer 3 request. Done it, skip, and we get ourselves our extra LXP point, which are going to be very useful for the airdrop, for the Linea airdrop in the next couple of months. Following up, a very interesting update. Now we do have the LBN rect rewards plus trade rewards are generating fees or negative PNL. You may be due some LBN. So there is an airdrop for all of you that utilize the government.levana.finance/DAO. Check if you're getting LBN based on rect rewards, weekly rewards for traders with the highest negative profit and loss. So if you do lose in this trading situation, you will be rewarded some coins. You have the initial pool of 100,000 tokens, and traders with the highest negative PNL receive LBN proportionally, trader rewards, and much more. So simply go to the website over here, connect your wallet. As we see here, you can connect your Kepler or your Lepra. We go and connect the Kepler over here. We just sign in with the password and everything that you need to do. Click on approve. It's on the Osmosis situation. If you have the possibility, treasury balance, you will be able to see here that you can claim it. As you see, I personally cannot claim it because I do not utilize this protocol on my own. But if you do, make sure to go and check it. Following up, we got a nice situation for Dmail. Now, we know Dmail is coming out with a juicy airdrop in Q3 of 2024 for all of its users. Now, Dmail is this platform over here that you probably heard of. I will leave you the link down below if you haven't joined. You can join still. You are still in time to go and join, and it is a point-based airdrop, meaning that you can go and overtake anybody that you want in just a matter of 1 day or 2 days if you do put in the work. It is point-based. And as we see over here, we have a new quest. You can purchase the NFT domain. Free mint is not included. Up to 8,000 points for this one, which is a lot of points. And then we got these giveaways to join the Dmail subscription celebration on Tascon, which is the new one that we have over here. They have a 50,000 prize pool celebrating the third phase of the Dmail Subhub has launched on the giveaway section, which is the one we see over here, as well as join the Tascon event for the giveaways. All you gotta do, sign up to Dmail down below, and then I have a dedicated Dmail video on my channel if you go and check it out on how to farm this airdrop, which is basically simply to go to compose over here, send email on every single network, calculate as many points as you can, grab as many points as you can, and this is the airdrop. Simply send some emails for free. But as we said over here, go to the giveaway section, go and join this one over here, join the D-Bridge, the Dmail subscription celebration, as well as bridge via AYWNp-p finance to get 1.5x AYWNp-p points, which I already have it, but you can go and do it as well. So once you're here to the giveaway, make sure that you go and join this one over here, which is the Tascon. Once it loads, you will have the possibility to go and check it, to go and earn it, to go and claim all of them goodies. But going to the most juiciest and important part of this video, we got the grass airdrop update. Now this is very, very big, and it is for everybody of us that are farming points on a consistent basis. Here we got the new product release, and it is an invite only beta. I have 4 invitational code, so if you want it, make sure to not lose it next time, because if for everybody that has notification turned on and have subscribed to the channel, they would have watched this video before you. So make sure that you are subscribed and you do turn the notification bell on. I got a couple of, invitation codes because I am a user and I do have quite a lot of points due to the possibility of the referral system, and I do get gifted. So over the past few months, we've been making grass operate better, faster, and cheaper. Today, we're excited to introduce our desktop node, which, as we see over here, it is this one right here, and it gives you 2x the point, which is absolutely amazing. We go down here and we see the first wave of invite have been invited to a select group of users, and I was lucky enough to receive that, as well as the Gigabytes users, which we did talk in 2 days ago to go whether or not you should go and get your Gigabytes NFT. Did you do it or did you not do it? If you did, you will be invited and you have the possibility to invite now. By joining the network via the desktop node, and by the way, this is for everybody that is already within the airdrop, within the the grass airdrop, it's already farming points. This is an extended way to go and grab 2x the point, as we see over here, 2x total point, which is very, very nice. So by joining the network via the desktop node, your network score receives a multiplier of 2x. The multiplier is reflective of the fact that these nodes have better uptime, improved latency, and priority routing in the network. So if you wish to join, make sure to go and join now. and it is important? Well, it is definitely important if you want to go and collect more points. As you see over here, once you get it over here, you can download the Grass Chrome extension, and Grass desktop node is something new. Click on download over here. You will have the possibility to download whether you're on Mac OS, whether you're on Intel, whether you're on Silicon, whether you're on Linux or Windows, up to them. You can enter your code here. So this is where you have the possibility to enter the referral code to download. This is the codes that we were talking about, that only 4 of them or 5 of them I do have. So make sure to go and grab it and go and collect points. This will have the possibility for you to multiply the airdrop, which it is something important. So make sure to go and do it, and let me know down below what you think in the comments. Following up, we got the Avail. The A mainnet is now live and will be listed today, and it is listed already on ByBit. So if you have the possibility, make sure to go and set it yourself on ByBit, and this is the link down below. If you wish to join ByBit, there are plenty of competition, plenty of airdrops, so make sure to go and join them. And as we see over here, just go for Avail token as we see, and the USD. It is trading at 14 cents, and it had a big spike up all the way, as we see here. This is on the 1 minute chart, all the way to 25 cents. So let me know whether or not you received it, whether or not you're gonna sell it, whether or not you are selling it, just to know what's going on. If I did receive it, which I did not, but if you did receive it, as we see over here, the airdrop is on for their Discord server. Tokens will be automatically sent to the wallet. It will begin starting at 9 a.m. UTC time. So if you do want to check it, make sure that you go and check it out in your wallet. It's already there. Everything is already there. It has possibilities. We see here a lot of people talking about it, but if you do have the possibility, make sure to go and see it. And we can also see over on their absolute, their page over here with their Twitter, they have announced that Avail, DA, mainnet, and tokens are now live. Today marks the launch of the Avail DA, the first modular data availability layer using validity proofs plus data availability simplifying. Now, Build blockchain does truly scale with demand. The Avail token powers the network, pays fees, stake to secure, etc., etc. The unification layer is now live on mainnet, available in the users. So they are already in your wallet. If you did have it, congratulations. Let me know down below how you have it, how much you got it, what you received it, and whether or not you have the possibility to go and sell it. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know down below what you think about the video. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you all in tomorrow's one. Ciao, guys.